Hi guys, it's Cheers. Today I'll share with you about my eyebrows microblading and shading that they did while I was in the Philippines, and in SM City, Cebu. The name of the company is Stylash. So please watch the video and subscribe. Thank you.
You ready? Asa ba man? Asa ba si Kuan? Ha? Si Palang. Gibiyaan si Mariana. Dito lana? At ano hairstyle lang siya. US man ni siya. Oo, balik diri. Sige, puno na lang. Puno na lang. Nagbiyaan kay kuan man siya dito, nang patago man yung pwesto.
Ina lang po, kaya pwede naman ang compare man niya sa form pag-uli na lang.
Nas, cerebelty. Ingon ta dito, imo ang anak, ma'am. Ay, dili anak mo na sa kong ate. Kalayon, naw na mo Mary. Naray, naw ni Mary. Para mo ilong Mary pa'y natubo ng iya pa'y. Then siya daughter Miss
Stylish and SM. Babad na.
Babad na dahil.
Solution.
Alam na may murag anesthesia ba?
Doesn't bother you much.
Pwede niyo mabuti na para sa kanya siya contract. Ito para natin basta hindutan out.
Your face is hard. Hard.
Yes, ipay padayon mo. Bagat-bagatan lang ti.
Ang color ini kan ang kanang brown ang kanang kuan sa inyo kanang dili na pa.
So this is it, guys, the one they gave me after they did my eyebrows. I had to put this twice a day, morning and night, this solution. So it helps heal the, because they did like tattoo needle in it. And then after that, they said you just dab it. Don't do that. Just dab it and let it get wet there. Then after cleaning, I did a cream. I got it from them and it's like 600 pesos. So how many dollars is that? $10 for this little tube. So it helped heal it faster and it's not itchy. So thanks for watching. Hi guys, it's Cheers. Look at my eyebrows, guys. They did microblading and sheathing plus, and after 7 days, this is now my eyebrows. Natural. there's no pencil or brow gel in it. So the one who did it, it's at SM Cebu, the store, or the one who did is the Stylash, and they did a good job. It's only one session and they said it will last for 3 to 5 years, depend upon how you take care of it. If you use mild soap, so it doesn't fade fast. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching.